All right, I am off camera. You cannot see me. It doesn't matter. You can do this off or on camera. I'm going to do it off camera because I've got the microphone tucked under my arm and I think it looks weird. But I'm going to clap. And what that's going to do is that is going to allow me to take the audio that I am recording on the Adobe Premiere Pro and synchronize that with what I am doing on my camera. We're going to hop over to the computer and I'm going to show you how to sync these things up so you get the best audio with the best video. Let's make it happen. All right, I've pulled the video off of my phone and the audio off of the Rodecaster Pro. Going to put these into a sequence and get started. I'm going to go into sequence. You can set yours up however you like. I've got mine set to HD 1080, 23.976. I could title that. I'll do that later. But now I'm going to just go ahead and simply drag the audio and the video over. I'm going to go ahead and put my video clip down here. It's going to say keep existing settings. I shot in 4K, but I'm editing in 1080. So I'm just going to click fit to frame for that. And now I'm going to drag my audio over and I'm going to put it on track 2. Notice how I did not take care to line those things up. If I wanted to go in and do it manually, probably wouldn't be that difficult, but there's a much easier way. If we go into highlight both of those things, right click, and then go to synchronize, we can now click on audio track channel. And I just am going to leave it on 1. If there's more channels, I've never used that. So I'm just going to leave it on 1, click OK. And look at that. Premiere has moved that down there. I know that I did the last take, so I'm going to hit play. All right, I am off camera. You cannot see me. It doesn't matter. You can do this off or on camera. I'm going to do it off camera. But all right, so I've got that and it's good. I'm just going to go ahead and trim this down and trim this down. Going to click the gap at the beginning, hit delete, and now that is all the way down here. But all right, I have both audios playing. I do not need this audio anymore. This is the audio from the camera. We can hear just that. Let's listen. Off camera, you cannot see me. It definitely sounds like I'm distant. Now, if I mute that and unmute this, doesn't matter. You can do this off or on. You can see it sounds a lot better. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag that up to replace it. So now, all right, I am off camera. You cannot see me. It doesn't matter. There we go. Weird. But I'm going to clap. And that is how you synchronize your audio from the Adobe Premiere Pro or really any audio source that you record externally, and then you synchronize that. It is really important to make sure that you are clapping. If you were on a film set, you would use a slate in order to do that. You could clap, you can snap, you can do something, and that's going to make it easy for you to visually see where you need to go to synchronize these things. Hopefully this has been helpful and you will be able to use it on future projects.